Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the problem number 12, which is based on rules of integration of chapter integration. The problem number 12 is integral 1 upon 1 minus sin x into dx. Now let's see the solution. First of all, I is equal to integral 1 upon 1 minus sin x into dx. Then on rationalizing a denominator, we get is equal to integral 1 into 1 plus sin x into dx whole thing divided by 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x. So is equal to integral 1 plus sin x bracket complete into dx upon. Now in the denominator it is of the type 1 minus sin x and 1 plus sin x. So that is of the type a plus b into a minus b. So that gives us a square minus b square. So by using this formula here, we have 1 the whole square minus sin x the whole square. So on simplifying further, we get is equal to integral 1 minus. So the next step will be is equal to integral 1 plus sin x bracket complete into dx upon 1 minus sin square x. So that equal to integral 1 plus sin x dx in the numerator upon. Now here we use the trigo formula that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, and therefore 1 minus sin square x can be written as cos square x. Since sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, and therefore cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Is equal to integral. Now here we go for separate division, that is 1 upon cos square x plus sin x upon cos square x bracket complete into dx. So that equal to integral. Now 1 upon cos square x gives us sec square x plus. Now sin x upon cos square x can be written as sin x upon cos x into 1 upon cos x, and which gives us tan x into sec x bracket complete into dx. Now here we can use integration rule, that integration of sec square x is tan x plus integral of tan x sec x is sec x, and finally we write plus c, where c represent constant of integration. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.